How to change your chart type in QU MATIX application using your smartphone or tablet. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are new to trading or just exploring the platform, changing the chart style in QU MATIX is super simple. First things first, launch open the QU MATIX application on your device and log into your account. Once you're signed into your home page of QU MATIX, go ahead and click on one of the trading pair from this platform section. Choose any one you want to open the chart for, and once selecting the trading pair, you will be able to see the chart displayed on the page. Now, in order to change your chart type, click on this chart option at the bottom, this one over here, and from the options available, choose a different chart type. You'll be able to find the area, candles, bars, and Heikin-Ashi chart option. Go ahead and select one of them, and after selecting, the chart type will instantly update in your chosen style, as you can see it over here. You can switch between chart types anytime depending on your trading preferences. And that's it. Now you know how to change the chart types in QU MATIX. You can try different chart types and use the one that feels easiest for you to read and understand. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.